Let's dive into the chromatic scale. When we take all the natural notes in the music alphabet and combine them with all the notes in between, those enharmonic flats and sharps, you have a scale called the chromatic scale, derived from the Latin chroma, which means color, and if you want to be really fancy, say it in French, chromatique. So bougie. Obeying technical music theory rules and regulations, when you are going up the chromatic scale, you use sharps. On the piano, it sounds like this. On the ukulele, it sounds like this. And when you go down the chromatic scale, on the piano it sounds like this. And let's go down the chromatic scale on the ukulele. Oh hey, you don't have to start on C. You could start on E and play the chromatic scale. And let's go down the chromatic scale from E on the piano. No matter what instrument you play, incorporating a chromatic scale into your practice several times a week or daily will help your fingers and your brain become more nimble. On the ukulele, try this simple exercise. That exercise used the open strings of G, C, E, and A, but you can also do the exercise and avoid the open strings. It's like this. When you use the pattern without open strings, you can do the same pattern all over the fretboard. That's pretty neat, huh? Are you ready to test your knowledge? I've got a quick quiz down below. So that's it for today. I hope this helps you on your ukulele journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell too. It helps support this channel. And if you're a ukulele player and want rewards and to support my charity efforts, join me on Patreon. If not, you can buy me a cup of coffee or share a super thanks, or you could dream about playing Flight of the Bumblebee. Here are some suggestions of what to study next. I am a real person and this is what I look like today. And thanks for asking about my dog. She's an interesting breed. She's a Feist.